Here's a cool fig tree. Man, that must be old. Look at the trunk.
I know.
It's sort of growing not in the water, but on the bed.
And it would definitely be getting wet by the seawater.
Oh yeah.
Church?
Where? Oh yeah. I nearly walked past it. I never can ever had a bell, but I'm gonna go up these stairs. You know how I like abandoned buildings. Well, I put a new roof on it. Don't know what this used to be. Wow. That's the old original floor. There used to be a wooden floor up here. It's gone.
The chapel and everything, like, I mean, it's all, there's an altar and everything in the church.
I don't know what this says. Disham I živim samo za tebe. I breathe and live for you. Well, you can't swim, you can't dive, you can't water ski, you can't ride motorbikes, you can't fish.
Oh, there goes my idea of coming to swim here.
Oh, that's what that says. This must be like where they put boats, like garages. That's a nice bit of graffiti. Mouse. That's fresh. Lee. Oh, looks like somebody swept up. There's a little pile. Yeah, lots of garbage here though. Backyard. Lots of rubbish. Set of stairs. Really don't know what this used to be. That was a bathroom, you can see by the tiles. Showers, no toilets, because there's a broken cistern. There must have been showers in there. I don't know, maybe, don't know what that was. Keep going up.
So people actually stayed in here, lived in here?
I don't know. Maybe it's like a clubhouse for the boats.
Oh yeah.
Don't know what that room was. Can't go in here.
The old...
Pretty big building though.
You're right, it must have been something like that.
Yeah, I reckon it was like a fishing club or, I don't know, something. Look, we've come across a sunken boat. To the right of the boat there, you can just see the bit of the hull sticking out. Very nice. Water, crystal clear.
Where are these bunk bits for the rubbish bins?
Little ferry.
Maybe stick it the rubbish bins.
Maybe. And look at this. Oh, look at this poor old yacht. Yeah, this one's seen better days. Yeah, looks like it's been abandoned here. All the barnacles growing underneath. All the wood rot. Something smashed through the roof here. That's why it's covered in plastic. Got no reg. Is it called anything? No name. Oh well. And here's a slightly better yacht. Look at this, found an old abandoned bloody cruiser. Don't know how the hell I got it up here.
I'll go stand there. Check.
Oh yeah, go stand there so you can see the size. Pretty big. Wonder if it's just been dumped or... Pity there's no ladder to get up there. I'd love to get up in there, have a look. Here's a bit of it here. That's a bit of it. Ulysses of the Sea, London.
Huh?
It's called Ulysses of the Sea. Yeah, it's well and truly wrecked. Look at the props. Dug into the ground, all smashed, collapsed. Barnacles still on it from God knows when. There's the other prop. Yeah, all mangled. Oh look, people did climb up here. Look, there's a rope to get up. Now, if I was younger, you know I'd be up there. Oh look, they must be the thrusters. These holes. Yep, there they are. There's the props. Poor thing. Feel sorry for it. I don't know, like it's just been dumped here. Did it wash up in a high king tide? Did a crane come and put it up here? Because there's absolutely nothing around here. Like in terms of machinery. Here's another view. Our place is across the road there, so we're on the island looking back at the mainland. I don't know if you can see it. Way down there.